Good morning, students. Class 3, your subject is science. Now, the chapter I have discussed something about the organ system in your body. Human body is a peculiar type of machine. It is complex type of machines, and what I am saying, cell, tissue, organ system, last organism. This is the sequence of our body. Now we have discussed about circulatory system. Now breathing system, it is actually respiratory system. Here main organ is lungs. We breathe in air every second. We take in air through our nose. But where does that air go from? There, it passes through windpipe and reaches your lungs, the nose. The windpipe and the lungs make up the breathing system. So, here's organs are lungs, windpipe, nose, and after the skeletal system. Skeleton is the all bones or joint in our body. So, it is make our structure. Place the different parts of your body. You feel something hard inside. These hard parts are your bones. All bones in your body together form the skeleton. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body. Without skeleton, we will be a shapeless and formless mass of flesh. The skeleton also protects all the organs inside our body. There are 206 bones in that is adult humans. Muscular system. Muscular system is muscle or flesh in our body. Can you feel the soft part covering the bones? There are muscles. They are attached to the bones. They help you move the different parts of your body. All the muscles of your body together form muscular system. Digestive system, it is start from our mouth and it is anus. It is like a vessel. You eat food with your mouth, you chew food with your teeth, then swallow it. You can feel it going down your throat. Where does it go? The food passes through the food pipe and reaches stomach. Here the food is churned and made into paste. Then it is a small intestine. The food is completely digested there, from where they are thrown out of the body through anus. Next system is excretory system. Main organ is kidney. You throw all garbage or waste product through these systems. Here, if garbage remains the house for the few days, the whole house sinks. You also, all waste from in the body should be thrown out every day. If they remains inside our body, we will fall sick. We have a pair of bean-shaped kidneys that remove the waste from our body in the form of urine and sweat. Your lungs remove waste in the form of gas called carbon dioxide. Through the nose, our skin removes salt, excess water from the body in the form of sweat. Your kidneys, lungs and skin form the excretory system. Nervous system is very complicated and it is very important system in our body. We think, learn, remember, do many other things. We see, hear, smell, taste and feel. All are helped with the help of nervous system. It is our brain. In fact, brain is the main organ of the nervous system. That the brain receives information from all parts of our body and send messages to all through nerves. Nerves are like wires. Your brain and nerves together form the nervous system. Your brain is active when we are sleeping. Next system is reproductive system. It is we reproduce new organism through this system. The reproductive system in human beings help them to have babies. It becomes this system. Your parents have a sweet child like you. Care for your body. We should take our machines we use, don't you use them regularly, get them service regularly, and also operate them carefully. So, also we must take of our body, take regular physical exercise, eat healthy food, and then we'll work well all your life. So chapter is completed. You will do exercises in your science copy. Thank you.